Moving from New Zealand and coming here, the thing that made me feel at home here first was the trees, because you could go out walking and feel like you had friends just by being amongst the trees, and in some way they helped me think, they helped me clarify my thoughts. Life moves so fast and you have family and work, and sometimes to be able to go and stand with the trees, in particular my oak here, I get to stop and have a moment and become observing.
Well, the oak tree is almost a complete ecosystem in itself. In springtime, blue tits, great tits feed on the caterpillars, rear their young using the caterpillars. In autumn, the jays almost have a symbiotic relationship with the oak tree. They gather the acorns and fly off with them, burying them to come back later in winter as a winter larder. And unfortunately they only manage to find about half of the acorns that they bury, and the other half then carry on to grow into magnificent trees like this is.
Tua rwy ganrif nôl o diwydiant mawr yn tyfu a cynaeafu coederi. Oedd yn naci a hen naci o nhw'n cynaeafu'r coed yma ac yn cywen nhw yna fel pit props lawr i'r gweithlu glofawol. Ond cyn hynny, beth o'n nhw'n neud oedd yn tynnu'r risgil off y coed a defnyddio'r risgil i prosesu lledr yn y tynerdau lleol iddi gael. Oedd sawl tynerdi yn yr ardal yma.
Oak can be used as a Bach flower remedy, and it's used for people that are maybe full of despondency and despair, and usually that comes from overworking themselves and they need something to remedy them, to help them to keep going, and the oak Bach flower remedy is good for that, good for people that continue through exhaustion.
And then when you think about the resilience of trees, we have an oak tree here, and when we first moved here you can scuff around on the ground underneath this oak tree and you could see the remnants of a fire, you could see a piece of charcoal. And obviously many years ago they've had a large fire here which has scarred this tree right the way up it on this side, all the way up, all the boughs. And you think that this has continued not only just to survive, but is a thriving tree with this amount of damage. It goes to show the resilience of not just oak trees but trees in general, and I think it's marvellous to see this.
I feel that I get that out of trees too. My perspective grows, my perspective of people and of life, it grows through connecting via trees.
Dwi'n digon ffodus I gael lle mae coed mas tu fas y ffenest, a lle eiste a myfyrio ar y byd tu allan. Ac ar ôl bod tu allan, cael ysbrydoliaeth a dod I wneud chydig bach o gelf. A sketchpad mas, a just tynnu llun o'r hyn dwi wedi bod allan I weld. A heddiw, y goed yn Derwen nath cymryd yr awen, ac dwi wedi dod a meddwl, beth na fi heddi, a dwi wedi torri line nhw. Ac ar ôl wneud cwbl o sketches fan hyn, o amrywiaeth o bethau, goedwig gyda nant mynd trwyddo fe. Digon o sketches coed. Un mas o'r ffenest fan hyn. Just rhywbeth eitha syml gyda ink pen a chydig bach o dyfrliw. 4 coeden dderw fan hyn. Eitha syml. A mae jyst bod mas tu fas neu hyd yn oed edrych allan trwy'r ffenest yn gallu ysbrydoli rhywun i just cymryd moment i dynnu llun, hyd yn oed llinell. Ac ar ôl bod mas yn cerdded a gweld coeden Derwen, o'n i'n meddwl falle bydden ni'n neud lino print bach. Ac mae rhain yn weddol rhad, ac tynnu'r ddelwedd gyda cyllell, neu mae cyllell arbennig ar gyfer wneud yna, a wedyn wneud yn siŵr bod ni'n ysgrifennu tu chwith, fel bod ni'n gallu printo fe, ac ar ôl rhoi paint arno fe a rolio'r paint, beth ni'n neud wedyn, ni'n cael papur a rhoi e ar y papur, a gallwch chi ddefnyddio tatws neu unrhyw ddeunydd i wneud print eitha syml. Ac delwedd gwyrdd yn gweud yma. Ac dyna beth sy'n bwysig am bod gyda'r coed yw bod ni'n gallu bod yn y presennol, yma, yn y presennol, gyda natur, gyda'r coed. Tynnu'n y llinell fel hyn, fel yna, eitha syml. A gallech chi bod yn gwneud hwn gyda ar wydr, magu hyder yw e, wneud yn siŵr bod chi'n just yn mynd gyda'r llif, go with the flow.